Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a snowman in a snow globe. So let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is you'll want to make sure that you have a bowl or something that is super round that you can use as a template to make your snow globe. So I'm just using this bowl and I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to put my bowl right in the middle of my piece of paper. And I'm going to go slowly and carefully all the way around my bowl with my marker. Lift that off and then we have a nice round circle. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to make a base for our snow globe. So this is where a snowman is going to be right here. And then down here we're going to make the base that will be sitting on the table. So I make a slanted line, and a straight line. Now for inside here, I'm going to make a snowman, and this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to start almost to the top, but not quite, and I'm going to make a nice round circle. That's going to be my snowman's head. Underneath that circle, I'm going to make another circle, but it's not going to be a complete circle. Watch what I do. I start about here, I come around, and I go like this. So basically, it looks to me like it's a upside down letter C. And then I'm going to do the same thing underneath. Make another upside down letter C, and this one's going to be a little bit bigger. So we have a smaller circle, and then we get bigger and bigger. Now let's make a little bit of snow here on the ground. And then let's move up to the top of our snowman and we can put a hat on him. You can put any kind of hat that you like on your snowman. I'm going to put just a top hat and it's going to be a little bit slanted. So I make a straight line and I go through my circle at the top. I make 2 lines up. I come over. I make 2 lines up and then I close it up at the top. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just fill this part in with my black. Looks like my marker is running out of ink. So I'm going to switch it out after I make this top hat. You might want to make a beanie, you might want to make a Santa hat. It's up to you as to the type of hat that you'd like to make. There we go, that looks cute. Switch that out for another Sharpie. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some eyes, and they're going to be coal eyes, so they're going to be kind of square like this. And again, my snowman's head is tilted to the side a little bit, so I'm going to fill those in. I'm going to make a carrot nose, and that's just a V with a few little lines inside of it. And then I'm going to make some dots for my snowman's smile. I'm going to come down here and make a couple of buttons, 2 or 3 buttons. And if you'd like to go down further, you can do that as well. Then I'm going to make his arms, and those are just going to be sticks. So I'm going to go like this, and then another stick on the other side, like that. Alrighty, now I'm going to make some little snowflakes. So I'm just going to make some little dots, and these are going to represent snowflakes. If you'd like to make your snowflakes a different color, go ahead and do that. Just all around. If you want to go on top of your snowman with your snowflakes, you can do that. I generally go around though. It's completely up to you. If you'd like to add a little bit of decoration down here for your snow globe, go ahead and do that as well. Maybe like some little designs down here at the bottom. And then if you'd like to put your snow globe on a table, you just make a straight line, come across, and come over here, out on the other side. There you go. There's your snow globe with a snowman inside. Hope you had fun. I'll see you next time.